18. Weather from where you live.
Well, tonight, what will help us from getting as cold as it was last night is, first of all, it's not as windy. And we have a lot of clouds streaming in from the northwest. The clouds act as a blanket, and there's a weak clipper right here. And you'll notice a few little snow showers kind of lining up in Iowa, parts of northwest Illinois. This is diving southeastward, so as we get into the overnight, few flurries, few snow showers. If there's any accumulation anywhere, it would be just a very light powdery dusting. There's another clipper up here in the Dakotas diving southeastward, and that will arrive tomorrow late morning to early afternoon, and that could bring a wave of scattered snow showers through, 1 inch or less of accumulation, and not everybody's even going to see much accumulation at all because the snow showers will be so scattered. Nonetheless, the wind will pick up tomorrow with that second clipper, so wind chills dropping into the single digits with highs in the low 20s, so it will warm up, but the winds will crank up after a morning low of 8. But wind chill's not as big of an issue tomorrow morning as certainly they were this morning. Tonight, raise the lows a little bit in places. We'll be in the single digits largely, though 10 Ladoga, 10 at Kingman, 7 Lafayette, but 3 at Rochester and Winnemac. Tomorrow, 20s area wide, about 20 to 26 for the high, 23 Lafayette, 22 Burlington, 20 at Rochester. Thursday, mid to upper 20s, 27 Lafayette, Frankfort, 26 Logansport, Monticello, and Remington, 26 at Rensselaer. So again, here is the little clipper that comes through tomorrow. Again, a few little snow showers around. Those get out of here. We get some clearing tomorrow night, low teens. But then as we get into Thursday, clouds will be increasing. There's a surface low here and a surface low down here. What will happen, they'll tend to kind of come together right here in the Ohio River Valley, and that could bring some snow to the area once we get into Thursday evening, Thursday night, Friday morning. Two issues with this forecast. One is some of the models bring most of the snow in Friday, and tonight there are some models that don't even merge these two lows. Don't even bring a flake of snow in here. I'm not ready to warm up to that yet. I like the idea of still keeping snow in the forecast and looking at some of the dynamics and looking at some of the analog data. This storm looks very similar to one from January of 2004 where it didn't look like we were going to get much and we ended up with 2 to 6. So I like sticking to these numbers for now. If we need to tweak them, if we need to push this east, push it west, increase them, lower them, we will. But I would count on some accumulating snow still, even though the models are crazy right now. Some have a lot, some have no snow. It's a Mets frustration, but I'm going to keep that accumulating snow in the forecast for later Thursday night into Friday morning. With highs in the 20s, 18 Saturday, 6 Saturday morning, and a little wintry mix late Monday before it changes to a cold rain and ends on Tuesday. So the model performance, which is your backbone of your forecast, is awful. I mean, some models have a lot of snow. There was one computer model that had 4 inches of snow projected for this, and now it has nothing. So I prefer to just kind of stay the course, let this chaos kind of wind down. We'll go with 3 to 6 right now.
Okay, sounds good, Chad.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't rain, but there was one, or it wasn't snow, but one area basketball player was raining threes down.
Seriously, cold.